In this video, we will review the places available on the AdventHealth Data Hub and show you how to create maps. Maps are one of the most powerful ways to communicate information to your audience. Let's get started. The places available to you on the AdventHealth Data Hub include the AdventHealth campuses and their primary service areas broken down at both the AdventHealth campus and zip code level. If we choose AdventHealth Tampa PSA here and click on the Map tab, we can review the options available to customize our analysis. Use the top icon to change your map layers. Choose from the options available for the place you selected. Here, we will use campuses as our map layer, and we'll scroll down or use the search functionality until we find AdventHealth Tampa, which we will toggle on as our selected area. By making this selection, we are choosing to focus on this place. Next, access the list of indicators right from your map. This list will reflect the available topics for the layer you have chosen, or you can use the search bar. If we select median household income, you will see it populate on the map. In the upper left-hand corner, there is a key that provides the place-based benchmark and the data point for the layer as you hover over the place with your cursor. The legend below the key provides the range of data for your selected topic. The legend displays the largest number in the darkest color. Next are options for stratifications and time periods. When they are available for your topic, they will preview here. If we chose Hispanic or Latino for median household income, you will notice the topic changed in the key in the upper left-hand corner, and if there is no data available, it will not be shown on the map. Remember, not all data is curated at all layers for all places and is subject to what is made publicly available. The next option to help you with your analysis is filters. This tool allows you to add up to 10 topics to any map. We have median household income, so we can add diabetes. Each topic is divided into quartiles as shown on the slider. Let's move the slider to show where diagnosed diabetes is above the median to create our analysis. Once I make that change, the map will dynamically show the result. Click on any place on the map once you have added your topics and you will be able to see all of your data points. Here we have median household income in addition to our diabetes topic. Now let's highlight a place in this analysis using another feature. You don't have to highlight the geographic layers represented on your map. Here we have selected the primary service area for the AdventHealth Tampa facility, so let's highlight it further on the map. You can now see it represented within the analysis you have already completed. Use the display options to change how the highlighted place shows up on your map. You can change the border color, opacity, fill, and label if you want. You can also add more than one highlighted place to a map and customize each of them differently. Another customization that can be used is to add points to the map. There are two ways to do this. First, you can select from the curated point layers offered on the atlas, like pharmacies and drugstores, or you can add a single address. To add a single address, simply type in the details of the place you would like to add, and when you are finished, click Submit. You can remove highlighted places or points from your visualization at any time. When you complete your analysis or data visualization and would like to download the image, you can do so by using the download feature and clicking this button. You'll find that you will be guided through the prompts to download your findings, and you will have the option to download the completed visualization or an Excel file with the data used for your analysis. We have one last tip for you if you need to use the map in a presentation. Click on the gear icon for map settings right above Download. We recommend that you choose a lighter background like gray or white for presentations. You can also use these settings to change the color of the map. Join me in our next video to learn how to use other visualizations on the AdventHealth Data Hub.